everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we will learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your prayer group business. For example, you have a prayer group business in where your users can set reminders, book sessions and also send a prayer request. Responding each and every user manually is a time-consuming, also a very confusing task. To solve this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever your users send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen.
Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your prayer group business, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your clients instantly. By sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of prayer group, hi, or instead of any message you can send, here I sended a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Welcome to Faith Glow Prayer Group, where hearts unites, prayer rise and blessings flow. How can we serve your spiritual journey today? While providing me three options, that is prayer request, prayer session and set reminder. If I'll click on prayer request, then you can see it will respond to me like this while asking my full name. So here I am giving them my full name. Here I provided. After that you can see it will ask me for the prayer request. So here I am giving them one prayer request. Here I provided. After that you can see it will respond to me like this, that prayer received. Thank you Mehruz Khan for sharing your heartfelt prayer. Your words have been received with love and care. While also giving me one message, that is our team will connect with you shortly. Now if I'll click on prayer sessions, then you can see it will provide me all the prayer sessions and one button, that is set reminders. If I'll click on this, then you can see it will respond to me like this, that book a prayer session reminder. We'll gently remind you before choosing Faith Glow prayer session so you never miss a moment of worship. Please select the day you would like to receive a reminder for, while providing me 2 days, that is Wednesday evening and Saturday morning. If I'll click on Wednesday evening, then you can see it will respond to me like this, that reminder confirmed. You are now set to receive a gentle reminder before our Wednesday evening prayer session. Also providing me the time, that is 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. So if you want to create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot for your prayer group business, then you have to follow step-by-step direction that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click in sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I am clicking in this sign in option. Here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so we will go in this Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking on this Access Now button. Here you are navigate on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. With the help of this button, you can add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. By clicking on this, you can see it will provide you two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number and verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you click on this, then you can see it will ask you for the Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. Here you can also add multiple folders, and in this home section you can see the status of the WhatsApp number that are added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want a detailed video of how to add WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. The second feature is the inbox, in where you can store all the messages of your customer and respond to them by here also. You don't have to open your WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the contact, in which you can list off your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your bot, and you can see contact details, create segments, tag user, etc. The fourth one is the team queue, in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used for sending bulk messages to many users at once, and it is also used for promotion, announcement and updates also. The seventh one is the flow, in where you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder. The eighth one is the AI assistant, in where you can train AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer common questions. The ninth one is the activity log, in where you can see all the events and the action you have performed within last 7 days. The 10th one is the settings, and the 11th one is the get help. If you want to know more details about these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. I am creating WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll go in the flow option. So this is the flow builder page, where you can see a total number of flows, your active flows and your inactive flows. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am clicking on this plus add flow button.
So this is the starting point of your flow, but before this, first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for our prayer group business, here I provided a name. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and action. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the action you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active and inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. There are the three ways to start your flow. The one is keywords, the second is regex and the third is choose template. Keywords are the manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. The second one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. The third one is the choose template, in where you can create multiple templates and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. Basically, templates are used for those type of conversation that were started by your side. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex. So here I am entering the regex. Here I write it. With the help of this regex, your bot will respond to the any message of your clients that they were sent to your WhatsApp business account of prayer group. Now I want to write one welcome message for them. For that, I am taking one text button. It will provide me one enter message box. I'll drag this box here and writing a message. Here I write it. While at the end of this message, you can see I'll ask my client that how can we serve your spiritual journey today. So for answering this, I am providing them some quick buttons. By clicking on this plus add button, it will provide me one enter text box where I can write my first button as prayer request. The second button I'll write as prayer sessions. And the third button I'll write as set reminders. Here I write it. Now I am connecting the starting point of my flow to the welcome message I wrote for my clients. By clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here my flow starting point is connected to our message. Now if my clients wants to give a prayer request, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For that I am clicking on this action option, choose button as ask question. It will provide me one question box. I'll drag this box here and writing a question as please provide your full name, because at first I want to know the name of my clients. Here I write it. In the select contact custom field, I'll select as full name. I already created this field before. If you want to know how to create a contact custom field into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. Here the format I'll select as text. Number of attempt I'll give as 1, and if you want to write any validation message for your client, then you can write in this box. Now I am connecting this circle which are present in front of prayer request to this message. Here it is connected. After that, whenever my clients will provide me their name, then I want to know about their prayer request. For that, I am again taking one ask a question button, drag this question box here and writing a message. See, here I write it, that is please share your prayer request. In the select contact custom field, I'll select as description. As request comes under the description. The format I'll select as any. After that, I am connecting this circle to this. Here it is connected. Connection plays the major role. You have to make sure that each and every node will connect to each other. Now, whenever my clients will provide me their name as well as their prayer request, then my bot will respond to them.
For that, I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write my respond message. Here I write it. You can see I'll use this dollar symbol before full name because with the help of this symbol, my bot will respond to my clients by their name. As different clients have different names, so for sending their manual name, we will use this symbol. Now the next one is the prayer session. If my clients want some details about prayer session, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For that, I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write all the details about prayer session. Here I write it, while at the end of this message you can see I'll write that want a reminder before the session. So for that I'm giving them one quick button, that is set reminder. Here I provided. Now the next one is the set reminder. If my clients wants to set a reminder in my prayer group, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write some details about the reminders. Here I write it. In this also I am giving them two quick options by clicking on this plus add button, that is Wednesday evening and Saturday morning. Here I write it. Now whenever my clients will set any of these reminders, then my bot will respond to them. For that I am clicking on this message option, take button as text button. Drag this message box here and writing the respond message. Here I write it. Now I am connecting this circle which are present in front of this Wednesday evening to this and this circle to this. The response would be the same. I have done here as an example. You can also add many things, remove many things and make a chatbot according to your preference. The steps would be the same. Here I am connecting this circle also which are present in front of set reminder to this message. Now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot for your prayer group business. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. This bot will automatically respond to your clients like this. It will provide them all the prayer sessions details, set reminders and accept prayer requests without you doing anything. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.